Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage Ethereum gas fees in Ace Wallet. Managing Ethereum gas fees in Ace Wallet can help you optimize your transaction and save on cost. Here's how you can effectively manage gas fees. First, understand the gas fee. Gas fees are the fees paid to miners for processing transactions on Ethereum network. They vary based on network demands. Familiarize yourself with it. How gas fee work, including the concept of gas limit, the maximum amount of gas you are willing to spend, and the gas price, amount you are willing to pay per unit of gas. Some of the steps are: export layer 2 solutions like Polygon or Optimism. This allows for cheaper and faster transaction on Ethereum network. If supported by Ace Wallet, you can transfer the Ethereum to a layer 2 network to benefit from reduced gas fees. If you need to make multiple transactions, consider batching them to save on gas fees. Some platforms allow you to send multiple transactions in one go, reducing the overall fees. Also be mindful how often you are sending transactions. Combine transactions when possible to save on gas fees. Review transaction before sending. Always double check the gas settings before confirming the transaction. Make sure you are comfortable with the gas price and limit set. This helps prevent accidentally setting a gas price that is too high or too low. Keep an eye on updates and improvement to the Ethereum network, such as the transaction to Ethereum 2.0, which aims to reduce gas fee and increase efficiency. By following these steps, you can effectively manage Ethereum gas fees in Ace Wallet, making your transaction more cost efficient. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.